What, have you got bad eyesight too? Do you need glasses? Eh? Or are you just borrowing mine? Don't look at the cameras or I'm the stupid one of you. What? I don't know what that noise means.
I don't know where Jimmy is.
You're not getting all lovey-dovey, are you? I am not your mirror. I don't give a...
As well as the barking dog, Lee can hear the suspect yapping away. At high volume.
What? Right, this is crackers now. Who needs contacts? Get a budgie for your eyes.
You been drinking?
I've got no idea what you're doing.
One thing's for certain, this bloke's not.
What? You think you're kickstarting a motorbike? What? I suppose watching the TV's out then, eh?
What?
Or you're going to go to the other eye now?
That's all.
You know, sometimes you can be a right dingbat. Oh, yeah, don't mind me. Moving. Excuse me, moving past. Yeah, that is a camera watching your every move.
Interceptors don't expect...
What, you don't like the paparazzi now?
When they're getting nicked, but this chap's abuse gets personal.
What was I?
Excuse me, don't mind me. Budgie moving past. Oh, proud of yourself now for whatever. Yeah, you are a pretty boy.